Hi guys, Survey here. It's my first video on rain.gg. Rain.gg is a pretty nice CSGO gambling site. Yeah, and you open cases and you can get top loot. Well, yeah. I started with 100 coin balance today, but I did one battle and paid 20, so we're pretty good, pretty goated. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, I'll start with some 2v2 with some kind of high risk cases, cause it's what I like. I'm kind of risky boy. So $10 coins. Let's go. I'm gonna call some bots because you can either wait for players or call bots. I'd rather call bots because I don't like players. They're gonna fuck me up. So yeah, leave a comment, leave a like. If you enjoyed the content, more will come out soon. And this is 100% raw balance. Says Ray.gg didn't give me any coins for this. So yeah, we're not pulling right now, but it's high risk cases, so I understand. Okay, we get a blue. Pretty nice. We're winning. Ooh, when there's a rain hit like this, it's guaranteed a good item. So we'll see what we get. Huge. That's, oh my god. That's 0.7. Fucking huge. Good shit. Now we saw that. Then we're up. We're up 10 coins. Create a new battle. We'll do 3v3 this time. And we're gonna up the cases a little bit. So the goal is a double up, so 200 coins. If we get there, we'll stop, we'll cash out, be responsible. So yeah. So this is the case battle. $20 coin, 20 coins. I mean, sorry. I think we'll wait for bots. Let's see the chat. We'll say hi in the chat. Hi people. Okay. So yeah, leave a like I said. I don't know, I'm repeating myself, but it's my first video, so well, someone joined. Let's go. 3v3. Let's see some rain hits. Me and Duck, we got this. Oof, thank God they didn't hit that. That would have been bad for us. Okay, nothing is hitting right now. Oh, okay. They barely missed that rain hit. Blacked out. Risky case. No hit. Then the zap case. Pretty decent odds. Okay, we both get one. Let's see what we get. We need a better pull than them because they're winning if not. I think that's better. Yes, that's better. Barely. Perfect, we win this. It doesn't pay though when you lose. We lose 2 coins. I think we'll run it back. We'll run it back once. Call bots. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this video, what I can improve on, and yeah, just leave positive comments and I'll read them. Okay, we get a first rain hit, first spin. Let's go. We're hoping for max pull. Okay, that's bottom pull of the rain spin, $8. The ladder. Okay, nothing. $1 here. Yep. Nothing on the balling on the budget. Nothing on the blacked out. Yeah, they hit something though. 91 cents. Zap case. Coming clutch. No. We really need a hit on the recoil case. Oh, we had that. Okay, that's damage control. We lost 8 coins. We need to create a new battle. We're back at starting balance. Let's create a 2v2 that worked earlier for us. put some higher cases. Like the silence, the box of the sunset, 5% lower, animal, and one last candy pea. So this is expensive, around 37 coins. We'll call bots. So yeah, we're hoping for a double up, which 200 coins. So yeah, every time you spend, you get what's it called? Gems, and then you can spend it on free cases. Yep, it's like a rake bag system. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. So yeah, we're not pulling right now, but we'll get there. I believe. Sorry if this video is pretty long, but I don't really know how to edit videos yet, so I need to figure that out. Okay, this is huge. Right here, this is minimum 37 coins. Minimum 37. We want something better though. Okay, we got the minimum, but it's fine. Better than nothing. Then Kenny P for the last case. No hit. We get 2 of those though. So yeah, or we lost coins again. We keep winning, but we lose coins. Maybe I should do 1v1s. Let's try to 1v1s. Ascending. I'll do even higher cases this time. Sorry, I'm kinda tired right now, but low balls, heater, Kenny P. The one last, get lucky. Here you go. So this is a 1v1, 4 cases. I think pulled first case. And 6 coins for them. On the heater. Ooh, 27 for them now. We need a good hit. That's not enough, sadly. I don't think. Yeah, it was so close. 50 cents. Well, I think it's time for our all in, guys. I don't want to cut this video short, but we need to hurry it up a little bit. So I'll do this, low ball, Kenny P, heater, nuclear, a Larcast, pyramids, and then one last case. We'll do animal. Here we go. Think we have enough? Perfect. 2v2. Wish me luck. I think no matter what here, we're gonna cash out. Cause yeah, it's it's getting pretty long. No hit on the 5%, sadly. Oh, we got a rain hit on animal, which is minimum 37, like we said earlier. And this time it is 64, pretty good. Next up, low balls. We do not hit, but it is fine. Kenny P now. Kenny P no hit either. Either we're looking for a big hit over here. Still no hit. It's pretty risky cases I'm playing, so it's normal. Oof, nuclear. This is dangerous for us. If they get more than 60, we're kinda doomed. I don't know how much that is. That's 37, okay. We're still good. Oh, this is bad. I don't know what's the minimum here, but they're definitely in the lead now. We need to pull in the last case, or we do. Yeah, we don't. Well, that is it for us. Well, it was nice. Wait, maybe we try to upgrade her. 20x. Oh, yeah, it's gone. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the first video. See you.